night, we decided to renew our Busch Gardens and SeaWorld annual passes. And our first day back to the park, we're greeted by the 10% rain chance. Hooray. We're here for Christmas Town. Or, just kidding. The Rocky Mountain conversion has begun on Gwazi. This ride is literally falling apart. Christmas Town is over, but they still have Christmas merchandise up. For full price still. It's January 14th, 13th. Alright. The real reason why we renewed our passes was to get our 2 free beer samples every day. I'm gonna come here every day just to get our samples. So let's go get our beer on. Okay, you only get Bud Light or Yingling as your sample choices. It's kind of lame, Busch Gardens. Give us something a little bit better. I know it's free, but come on. Anything. This is how you vary. How's your Yingling?
Yingling.
Yingling? Is it like the Yingling we have at home?
Exactly the same.
Except here we only paid for an annual pass for it.
Yeah.
Fun. That was Big Bird's reaction, was my reaction when they said it's only Yingling or Bud Light for free samples. Ride it, Sky? Sky wants to ride the Air Grove roller coaster. Sky is officially obsessed with this roller coaster. I'm so proud right now. Look, sweetie. Look.
You gotta look at her face.
Look.
Look.
Look. Whoa. Hey, you like it? Does that look fun? Huh?
You're still too late.
You got another year or 2 to go, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Next we'll do Sheikra, okay?
Yeah.
Yummy. Okay. This guy's eating my bread. It's awkwardly quiet in here. Sheikra is closed. Assuming for maintenance. Because the splash pool is completely empty. Apparently they're expecting long lines for whatever's in there for a real summer thing, a real music thing. Oh, the Cirque Vertigo. Be cool to watch. But more importantly, Tigris is rising. You can see it through the trees. And that's pretty much all you can see. Definitely going vertical really quick. And then a month, I'd imagine, it'll be pretty much done. Back to the barbecue. Best food in Busch Gardens. Sky agrees. Geraldine doesn't think so. She doesn't like the barbecue sauce. Can't all win, but I like it. Pretty sure they closed this entire area off and none of these rides are operational anymore, but I could be wrong. But I might be right. You like the waterfall? Huh? What's that? It's like in a trance. Alright, we're gonna investigate because we don't know if this is open or not anymore. I think the play area is, but none of the rides are. Well, the water stuff is. It's probably been like 10 years since I've been in here.
Yeah.
I don't even know if it's been open that long.
I've never been here.
The whole climbing deal. I don't even think Gatlin's ever been in here. There's not a soul in here. Maybe that's why they closed half the rides. There's the Wild Surge ride though, and the lights are on. It looks like it's working. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure that's open now. I thought they closed it. Maybe they reopened it. Maybe they closed those. They closed something. Maybe it was the zip lining stuff they closed. But this thing's working. They're blowing the seats off because they're all wet. But the lights are on. Is your mind blown right now?
Yeah.
Sky, I don't think you're big enough to ride that yet, sweetie. She's like, wanna bet? See, they're about to ride. Well, it works. Yeah, they got the ride open. I know some people watching this video know what I'm talking about. This all used to be closed down. Am I wrong? Am I crazy? Let me know. There they go. Telling you guys that half this area was closed for quite a while. I might be wrong, I don't know, but it's open right now, unless it's a seasonal thing, which is possible too. The crowd levels are absolutely intense here tonight. Alright, spend $5, 7 tries. We're gonna be here for 4 hours if you don't hurry up.
This takes concentration.
There's no way.
Hey, it's stuck on the. Oh.
No.
Oh, come on.
The thing's like 7 times the size of the hook.
Well, how many times? I got
6 more tries. Man, get the one with the cupcake. He looks badass.
He does. Okay.
That one's like a beluga whale that you're trying to get.
Wait. If this would just stop moving.
You got it. Just hit it. See, look at that. What the hell is that? Let me try. My turn. Well, for one, it's like all jacked up and twisted in there.
There's no way.
Dude, this thing is lame.
Here, back up, back up, back up.
This is getting serious right now. See, this is a rip because the claw thing is stuck in the cable. See, what the hell is that, dude?
It's like stuck. Well, again.
This whole evening is ruined.
Yeah, I still have 3 chances. There's no point.
Let me try. Go back.
I get the beluga one.
See, there's no way. It's not gonna happen. You got a better chance of getting one of these ones.
Yeah, alright.
Last time.
Well, that was a waste.
Absolute tragedy.
It's because it's stuff.
Boom. God, our passes are so cheap because we're wasting all of our money on this. Okay. Now I'm getting pissed. Go, damn it. Oh, you. Are you kidding me? Lame. Come on. Come on.
Hey.
No. This is
So close.
spending $7 or $5 on something that costs like 2 cents. What the hell? Oh. Down to 2. 1 left. I'm just gonna try to get that one. This is absolutely pissing me off.
Try to get the bunch ones.
The what?
The bunch ones over there. I'll get a shot.
No, that ain't gonna work. I want the blue one.
No,
Because last chance.
Here we go.
Nothing. Nope. Alright, Busch Gardens.
Alright.
I see you. You win again. You win again. Alright, we're bringing this Sky to Kumba because all the other roller coasters have blown her mind. So let's see how she reacts to this beast. Kumba was just down for refurbishment, I believe, too, and it's got a fresh coat of paint on the outside of everything. And it looks like new blue lights. Although I don't think the coaster was repainted. Sky is watching and loving this. You like it? "20 minutes till park closing, and it is absolute deadsville here." They still have all the Rudolph stuff set up. Since they extended Christmas Town, none of the strike has begun yet. Oh, it's okay, you guys. I'll miss you too. Phoenix is still closed for refurbishment too. You ready? You ready? You're like holding on to me for dear life. You've been on this before. We're going. Look. We're going. You're not even holding on. You're a little rebel. This is going like way low. Look.
Hey, you guys.
Okay. Yay! Yay! We're going so fast. What? Look, Sky.
Now this is my game of fun.
Why don't you like it?
I knew it.
You love every other carousel ride you've been on. What's that? Okay, okay. There's a squirrel in the store. No big deal. He stopped moving. Oh, there he goes. Alright. He's like, maybe if I stand still, they won't know I'm real. Oh. Oh. Where's he going? And there he goes. And he's probably gonna be in here forever, so that's cool. He jumped into the rafters. He's climbing all over the store now. This is his new home. Sorry guys, I'll be here forever. Well, the park's closed, but we're working our way out. And all I can say is, that was loud. There's been a many slidings happening here from my days as a slider at Hollow Scream. Many, many times I've slidden down this path. Fun times. Fun times. Santa's house is all closed for the season, folks. Till next year. Just chilling. And there they go. This guy's ready to ride. Cheetah hunt. She's ready. There it goes. Still got the Christmas Town sign up for the Penguin Point thing, I think. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Yes. That's cool. That wasn't here last year. We didn't make it to Christmas Town this year, so we have no idea what we missed. Maybe next year, or this year, now that it's 2019. We also didn't even go to Hollow Scream this year. We're slacking, man. It's absolutely freezing in here. If you guys have a fuel rod, you can exchange it here.
Swap.
Hey, magic.
Very cool.
Now we got juice again. So we're back home. And I can't stop thinking about how Busch Gardens is bamboozling everybody on their free booze samples. Am I right or am I wrong?
Really?
Yes.
It's free.
It's not, okay, I get that it's free. Nobody want, okay, listen.
I get it, the twist.
Back in the day, I'm not trying to like age my father or anything, but I remember whenever we always used to go before Anheuser-Busch sold out, and you got free beer samples, you could walk into the hospitality house, and you could sample, the whole point of it is you could sample whatever beers they had on tap there, but you could only get 2 a day still, and it was little small ones like they still do, but you could pick whatever you wanted. We walk in there, they're like, oh, your choices are Bud Light or Yingling. No one on this planet is walking in anywhere and being like, you know what, can I have a sample of Bud Light? I'd like to see what that tastes like. It tastes like piss water is what it tastes like. Yingling is decent, but we've always got it in our fridge, and I'm sure everybody else does. There's like 5 other beers they had on tap. Why can't we sample those? You're only giving out this much. It's not like you're giving up a whole damn 12 ounce or 20 ounce draft of beer. It's frustrating. And you're just like, and then you spilled half of it whenever you walked out the store. Winner, winner. So, anyways, now we got our new passes to SeaWorld and Busch Gardens. Maybe we'll go to SeaWorld tomorrow and see what kind of samples of beer they have there. It's probably the same thing. So, cool. Alright.